welcome to my channel. My name is Yellow, and today I'm super excited to do a cooking video with you. Many of you may know I am a vegan, and I'm overly excited to share some vegan recipes with you. Excuse me for being in my robe. It was a late night, so I'm just now waking up, but I'm in the mood for some pancakes. So I thought, why not do a video showing you guys these easy, delicious vegan pancakes. Now, whether you're vegan or not, I know you're gonna absolutely love them. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so first off, you want to start off with 1.5 cups of flour. This is just regular flour. That's 1.5. Then you want to come in with 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder. So this is 1. 2, 3.5. 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then you want to whisk your dry ingredients together. I forgot to say you need 1 teaspoon of salt as well. Now you want to mix them together, the dry ingredients, and then we're going to come in with our wet ingredients. Okay, so for our wet ingredients, we're going to add in 1.5 cup of non-dairy milk. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And then your egg replacer. Now mine is a regular egg replacer I get from Stater Brothers, nothing special. And you just put that in there. It's going to be enough for 2 eggs. Now this is optional, but I am going to put a little bit of almond extract in here. We'll just like that much. And put it in that, and then it's just going to give it like a sweet kind of flavor. And then you just want to mix these together. And then you can begin making your pancakes. Okay guys, so just gonna get a little bit of my vegan butter, put it here in my pan. I poured my pancake batter in this little thing so that I can easily pour it. And you just cook them, you know, regular, like you cook any other pancakes. And this is typically what you're looking for when you're making pancakes. All those little holes that are there, that's what you want it to look like before you flip it. And there you go. And that's it. And they're absolutely delicious, so I really hope you try these pancakes. Okay guys, so that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the description box if you tried these pancakes. Let me know if you like them. And of course, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like and share this video if you have found it to be helpful. And of course, if you have any specific vegan recipes that you would like for me to try, let me know in the description and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and get those videos out for you. As always, my name is Yellow and I hope you guys have a lovely day.